दशकं 10 सृष्टिभेदा वैकुण्ठवर्तितबलोद भवत्प्रसादादम्भोज योनिरसृजत् किल जीवदेहान् स्थाणुस्नूनि भूरुहमयानि तथा निरस्याम् जातिर्मनुष्यनिवहानभिदेवभेदान्.
Canto 10. Diversification of creation. O Lord of Vaikunta, the lotus-born Brahma, quiescent through thy blessing, began to create many embodied beings such as vegetation, birds, animals, men, gods, etc.
मिथ्याग्रहास्मिमतिरागविकोप भीतिरज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविदां सृष्ट्वा उत्तामतामसपदार्थ विधानदूनस्तेने त्वदीयचरणस्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै.
He created 5 modes of ignorance: false apprehension, self-centeredness, attachment, anger, and fear. Stricken with sorrow for having originated these 5 modes of tamas, he made atonement for it by contemplating on thy lotus feet.
तावत् ससर्ज मनसा सनकं सनन्दं भूयः सनातनमुनिं च सनत्कुमारम् ते सृष्टिकर्मणि तु तेन नियुज्यमानास्त्वत्पाद भक्तिरसिका जगृहुः नवानीम्.
Then he created 4 mind-born offspring, the sages Sanaka, Sananda, Sanatana, and Sanat Kumara. On being ordered by him to procreate, these sages refused to do so as their minds were already immersed in devotion to thee.
तावत् प्रकोपमुदितं प्रतिरुन्दतो अस्य भ्रूमत्यधो जनिमृडो भवदेकदेशः नामानि मे कुरु पदानि च हा विरिञ्जेत्यादौ रुरोध किल तेन स रुद्रनामा.
As Brahma tried to suppress his anger at the disobedience of his offspring Rudra, an aspect of thine emerged from the middle of his eyebrows. He is called Rudra because at his very birth he cried aloud to Brahma, asking to be provided with a name and a habitation for himself.
एकादशाग्वयतया च विभिन्नरूपं रुद्रं विदाय तैतावनिदाश्च दत्त्वा तावन्यदत्त च पदानि भवत्प्रणुन्नः प्राह प्रजाविरशनाय च सादरं तम्.
Brahma, impelled by thee, gave 11 names and 11 forms to Rudra, thus giving to the one Rudra 11 aspects. He gave to each one of these a wife and a habitation and requested them to procreate.
रुद्राभिसृष्टभयधाकृतिरुद्रसङ्ग पूर्यमान भुवनत्रय बीदसेदाः मामा प्रजा सृजतपश्चर मङ्गलायेत्यासष्ट तं कमलभूर्भवदीरीतात्मा.
The 3 worlds were soon full of the fierce-looking progeny of Rudra, which filled Brahma with alarm. Thereupon, Brahma, prompted by thee, ordered Rudra to stop procreating and to take himself to austerity for the good of the world.
तस्यादसर्गरसिकस्य मरीचिरत्रिस्तत्राङ्गिरा क्रतुमुनिपुलः पुलस्त्यः अङ्गादजायत भृगुश्च वसिष्ठदक्षौ श्रीनारदाश भगवन् भवदङ्घ्रिदासः.
From several parts of the body of Brahma, engrossed in creation, were born the sages Marichi, Atri, Angiras, Kratu, Pulaha, Pulastya, Bhrigu, Vasishta, and Daksha, as also thy much esteemed devotee Bhagavan Narada.
धर्मादिखानपि सृजन्नत कर्दमं च वाणीं विदाय विधिरङ्गज सङ्कुलो भूत् त्वद्बोधितैः सनकदक्ष मुगैस्तनूजैरुद्बोधितश्च विररामतमो विमुञ्चन्.
Next, he created Dharmadeva and Kardama Prajapati. On creating Vani, he was himself overcome by a lustful sentiment towards her. Whereupon, he was rescued from this dark passion by his own offspring, like Sanaka, Daksha, and others, who were endowed with the necessary insight to do so by thee.
वेदान् पुराणनिवहानभि सर्वविद्या कुर्वन्निचाननगणाच्चतुराननोऽसौ पुत्रेषु तेषु विनिधाय सग्रवृत्तिमराप्नुवंस्तव पदाम्बुजमास्थितोऽभूत्.
He, the four-faced Brahma himself, gave out and taught the Vedas, the Puranas, and all other branches of knowledge to his progeny mentioned above. But still finding that his creative work was not progressing well, he again resorted to thee for help.
जानन्नुपायमददेहमजो विभज्य स्त्रीपुंस भावमभजन्मनुधत्वधूभ्याम् दाप्यां च मानुषकुलानि विवर्धयंस्त्वं गोविन्दमारुतपुरेशनिरुन्दिरोगान्.
Knowing from thee the proper means for the multiplication of created beings, Brahma divided himself into male and female, Manuswayambhuva and his wife Satarupa. May thou, O Govinda, who by means of them did multiply the species of man, deign to rid me of my ailment.